Welcome back, Acadiana. We're starting off with the radar. Was dry, but a shower did pop over Crayon Crow, bringing in probably a heavy rainfall there, even just southwest of Lafayette. Just a few showers there. Now, the rest of Acadiana staying pretty dry for this evening, but as fast as those showers popped up, they can diminish quickly as well. So let's take it over to the green screen to just get a bigger overview of the rainfall radar estimated rainfall totals from at least the last 6 hours. Everyone had at least half an inch in a few locations. Now, all of Acadiana did not get in on the rainfall, just a small portion here, and areas got up to at least 1.5, closer to that 2-inch mark, and we're likely to see the same pattern coming up for Thursday. Those rain chances won't be trending down too much Thursday and Friday, but Saturday is actually the lowest rain chance that we'll have out of this 7-day period. Those rain chances right now Saturday between 20 to 30%, so a large portion of Acadiana remaining pretty dry for this weekend, but it will be short-lived because Sunday and then the start of next week, those rain chances are back on the rise, well above 50% each of those days coming up. So for the rest of this evening, a few showers still possible. After that, we'll see a fairly quiet and dry night ahead, headed into early Thursday, but of course we'll see a few showers popping up again during the late morning hours going into the afternoon, and we can have also a mix of thunderstorms in the forecast, but we're not looking at anything severe, but we can rule out a few strong storms coming up for Thursday. And once we lose that daytime heating, drying out again by the late hours of Thursday going into Friday, and then the pattern continues again to end the work week. So temperatures tonight mostly in the 70s, and we have been in the 70s for the last couple of nights for our inland parishes, at least between 73 to 75. The same goes for our parishes along Interstate 10, just a degree higher, closer to 74 to 76 degrees, but those temperatures remain the same for our coastal parishes from Vermilion all the way through St. Mary parishes. Now, temperatures for tomorrow between the upper 80s to low 90s coming up. Our inland parishes, at least 91 in Ville Platte, 90 degrees in Opelousas. Along areas along Interstate 10 range from the upper 80s to low 90s as well. But in those showers and thunderstorms, of course, we'll have cooler temperatures there, but areas that don't have the rainfall, they'll see at least heat index values in the triple digits. Also, tomorrow is Juneteenth. Still a chance for showers and thunderstorms during the late morning hours into the afternoon. And as we jet to look at the tropics, quiet in the Gulf and the Atlantic, but the Pacific, they're dealing with Hurricane Eric, and that's likely to become a major hurricane and make landfall in Mexico within the next day. But for us, we are very quiet, but the rain chances, that's not quiet. We'll deal with that for the next couple of days. And then after Juneteenth, we got the first day of summer. We'll open that up with some rain chances in the forecast. Temperatures, though, pretty average in the low 90s coming up for at least several days. And then for next week, rain chances still for each day coming up above 60% there, so likely to have a shower or thunderstorm coming up. And as far as those overnight temperatures, mainly in the mid 70s to upper 70s for this weekend coming up. And then for the start of next week, those temperatures pretty much settle out in the low 70s, but will still be mild, will still be muggy as those dew points are pretty high. And that's what we have seen over the last couple of days. Very muggy conditions, and also those temperatures still on the hot side in the upper 80s to low 90s. But stay tuned. We'll have another look at the 10-day forecast later in the show.